I can't feel my hands. I don't know if the other one's on there or not.
A seagull, sniff suckers out like a beagle. My ego is off and running and going, cause I'm about the best, and if you're testing, that's wrong. We got a party on the left, a party on the right. We got a party for the motherfucking right to fight. I'm making an incision. I'm cut off the part of your brain that does the bitching. Put it in formaldehyde and put it on a shelf, and you can show it to your friends and say that's my own self. Can't do me nothing, can't tell me nada. Don't bump me out because I'm doing the Lombardo. Rubber band dance, here's my chance to make romance in my B-boy stand. Parlay romancing in the financing. Open up a restaurant with Ted dancing. The motion check in, but they never check out. I set the record straight, no doubt. On the left, a party on the right. Got a party for the motherfucking right to fight. Make some noise if you're in there. We gotta make some noise if you're in there. A party on the left, a party on the left. We gotta make some noise if you're in there. A party for the motherfucking right to fight. Make some noise if you're in there.
You want the bone, man? Oh, I'm writing that one down.
Check. 1, 2, 3. Too many rappers and there's still not enough MCs. It goes 3, 2, 1. MCA, Ad Rock, Mike D. That's how we get it done. Like, ladies and gents, attention. Nas in the house with Beastie Boys. We can turn it out. Perpetrators, we can point them out. So if you got something on your mind, let it out.
Like a Nexus 6, coming home confused. Handheld 58 when it's time to get loose. Don't need the ear goggles, put